Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to keep this video short, but we do have a couple of topics which we need to talk about. One is we need to check the Bitcoin chart because yes, it poked its nose out on the 200 moving average, which would be crucial for us right now in order to regain confidence. Second, I want to talk about that Bitcoin miners from China are kicked out or they are on the move due to the Chinese bans or Chinese threatenings. And also I want to discuss that why Elrond network doesn't offer 0% fees on ramp to buy the coins. Let's start. Okay, before we start, if you want to get in contact with me, Discord or Twitter, everything is in the description at every video. Feel free to subscribe and like the video if you like the content, but only after you watch the whole video. Let's start now. Bitcoin chart. Now we are at around 40,000, and what I'm talking about, this is the 4-hour chart by the way, and what I'm talking about is this poke out. I'm gonna just delete this resistance line. So this is the 200 moving average, and yes, Bitcoin poked out its nose above the 40,000, above the 41,000, which is very important. Right now we are forming this short-term triangle, symmetrical triangle, and if we do break out to the upside, but faking out is more like a bearish sign, we could do 42,500, but let's just be very pessimistic, 42,400. And the important is that this price target is exactly at the 21 weeks expansion moving average, which is a very big resistance. That's a very big sell point for the traders, for the people, because usually it takes some time until a price goes over that resistance line. So far so good. I would not like to tell you that yes, we are gonna just go to the moon and we will break every resistance in the next couple of days, because I don't think so. If you ask for my personal opinion, and this is only my opinion, I think that we will still go around these prices for a month. Yes, you heard me right, for a month at least, because historically, and if I want to take like historical, the 2017 bull run, the time when the price started to move again, when it was just very undervalued, when people just got bored, when everybody saw that okay, it's not gonna break down, so we might as well go up. That was end of July. Elrond, as I said yesterday, nothing much to see. Right now it is following Bitcoin's prices. Right now we are at $88-89. We are still not breaking this resistance line, but as long as Bitcoin is not moving, Elrond won't either. And this is the same for every other altcoin like Cardano or Polkadot or Link. If you watch their movement, everything is following more or less Bitcoin. Next one. China is kicking out more than half the world's Bitcoin miners, and a whole lot of them could be headed to Texas. Yes. So what is happening now? China's power plant are usually government owned, and the state said that okay, we are not gonna give power to Bitcoin miners because of the environment, blah blah blah. To be honest, every time I read about environment and China, I just start laughing because it's funny. It's funny that China is concerned about environment with everything else they are doing. But yeah, let's just give them some slack. Okay, they want to be more environmental friendly. They are not giving power to Bitcoin miners, therefore people or miner companies will start moving, and long term are looking at Central Asia, Eastern Europe, the US and Northern Europe. Now the Texas seems okay because they have a lot of wind power. The problem is that the grid is very unstable. As you could see, this year's winter, the whole Texas remained without power, and yeah, damage was paid by the people. The energy suppliers just drained the people's accounts, because the damage should be paid by people. Why? I hope that they are now prepared to face stronger or harsher environments, and the power grid will be more stable. The good thing is that in Texas, a lot of the governor and senators and a lot of people in the political pool are pro Bitcoin, pro crypto, pro mining, and yes, they could offer a sustainable energy to these miners, and that is a good thing because now China has approximately 65-70% of the mining percentage of the total Bitcoin mining and that can be reduced. Last thing, Elrond doesn't offer anymore 0% fee if you want to buy from Elrond themselves, from Ramp. Yes, as you can see, as you know, after MoonPay, which was the first, Ramp came in and they offered 0% for card fees or bank transfer fees, and this wasn't 0% fee, it was just Ramp said that okay, we are not gonna charge you this. Now this has changed and the card fees are 2.9% and the bank transfer fees are 1.49, 1.5%. The difference is how much you want to wait. You want to wait 15 minutes or 1 to business days. Now I wanted to go ahead and just show you that if we compare to the others, we still have on Binance 3 to 4.5% for debit card purchases, which is 2.9 on Ramp, and 4% on Coinbase. Now we don't have Elrond on Coinbase, but we might have in the next couple of months or next year. Now the best is if you use the $15 per US wire transfer, but that doesn't make happier people who are not in the US. So in conclusion, yes, it's not 0% anymore, but I do think that if a coin's strongest marketing is that you can buy our coin with 0% fee, well, it's not the best. That's not the best coin, and we know that Elrond is not among those coins. So 3% fee, yeah, it's not zero, but still we are not into crypto to make or lose 3%. 3% is a very, very steady and boring day, like these days. So I don't think that this will affect Elrond's price at all. The more and more people are coming in, the more and more people are discovering Elrond. They are not discovering through Elrond wallet. They are not discovering it through Maiar. Usually they discover it through exchanges, for example with Bitpanda, as Elrond is now listed on Bitpanda. And when they discover it, and when they see the YouTube channels and marketing and every info about Elrond, and maybe they fall in love with Elrond like most of the people in this channel, then they will look how they can store Elrond in order to have something else beneficial as well, like staking or the Max or the MPEGs. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow.